Welcome back to one more session. Today we'll discuss important questions on SSLC mathematics topic quadratic equations. So we discuss what is meant by quadratic equations. So convenient method for solving quadratic equations for 2 marks. So let us begin with the first example. Here it is, the first example is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So first we will discuss what is meant by a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation is any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is called as a quadratic equation, provided one condition is there: x square coefficient, that is a is not equal to 0. Such type of equations we call it as a quadratic equation. Here for 2 marks, so you will get a question on quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation using a quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equal to, it is a minus b plus or minus under the square root of, it is b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the question is solve the following quadratic equation using quadratic formula. The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here a is x square coefficient, b is x coefficient, and c is a constant here. So that are the values of a, b and c. So let us solve this example. First example. So here it is x square coefficient. So nothing is there. It is taken as a 1. So x square coefficient as a 1. So we get it as a 1. X coefficient, it will be the b. So b equal to 4 it is. And the constant is 4 here. C we take it as a 4. So it is a 2 marks example. First we write quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then substitute the values for a, b and c. So here minus as it is, b is a 4 plus or minus under the square root of b is 4 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 4 divided by 2 into a is a 1. So next step, so minus 4 will be as it is plus or minus under the square root of 4 square. 4 square means 4 is multiplied with 4. 4 into 4, 16 we get it, minus 4 into 1, 4 into 4, 16 we get it, divided by, it is a 2. 2 into 1 as a 2. In the next step, we take it as a minus 4 plus or minus as it is under the square root of 16 minus 16 get cancels. We are going to get it as 0 divided by 2 here it is. Okay. So next we get a solution as x equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of a 0. We get it as a 0 divided by 2 here. Then we obtain two solutions. Dear students, remember that quadratic equations leads to two solutions. Two solutions we need to write it. So it is taken as x equal to minus 4 plus 0 divided by 2 and x equal to minus 4 minus 0 divided by 2. So minus 4 plus 0, minus 4 we get it. Minus 4 by 2 we get it as a minus 2 is a one solution. Another solution is minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4 divided by 2 we get it as a minus 2. Here using a quadratic formula we have simplified. Quadratic equation leads to two solutions. Those two solutions are x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2 here. So let us move to a second example. Second question is 2x square plus 11x plus 12 equal to 0. 12 equal to 0. Here, first we write it in a standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare it and write the values for a, b and a c here. So a we get it as a 2 here, b equal to 11 and c we get it as a 12. In the next step we need to write quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x equal to, it is a minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is equal to minus b is 11, so 11 it will become plus or minus under the square root of b. b is 11, so 11 square you should write minus 4 into a is 2. Next c is, it is a 12 divided by, it is a 2a, 2 into a is a 2 here. This is equal to minus 11 plus or minus under the square root of. So here 11 square is 121 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 12 we get it as a 96 divided by, it is 2 into 2 we get it as a 4. So for the simplification, so this is equal to minus 11 as it is plus or minus under the square root of 121 minus 96 we get it as a 25. It is under the square root of 25 divided by 4. Then root 25 is a perfect square, so root 25 is a 5, so we get minus 11 plus or minus 5 divided by 4. Then quadratic equation leads to two solutions. So first solution is minus 11, so first we take it as a plus 5 divided by 4. Next one, x equal to, it is a minus 11 minus 5 divided by 4. So simplification, x equal to, we get it as a minus 11 plus 5 as a minus 6 divided by 4. Next x equal to minus 11 minus 5 as a minus 16 divided by 4. So it is a common table is 2, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So we get a solution as minus 3 divided by 2 as a one solution, or one more solution is 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, we get it as a minus 4 as a second solution. Remember dear students, quadratic equation leads to two solutions, x as a, in this example minus 3 by 2 and x equal to minus 5. So we'll move to our next example. You can solve along with me. Example number 3, x square minus 5x minus 24 equal to 0. It is in a standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Already we have discussed that x square coefficient is a, x square coefficient is a, so x square coefficient is 1 here, a equal to 1. X coefficient is b, b as minus 5, and the constant is c, c equal to minus 24. Then write the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x equal to, it is a minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is a quadratic formula. Now substitute the values of A, B and C in this quadratic equation. So we get this as minus B as minus 5 plus or minus under the square root of B, we get it as a minus 5. Square it is minus 4 times A is 1 and C is minus 24 divided by 2A. A is 1. So this is equal to, next minus into minus plus 5. We get plus or minus under the square root of, here minus 5 square is there. Remember that minus sign raised to a even number, always it is a plus, it is plus 5 square, it is a 25. So next minus into minus, we get it as a plus. Next 4 into 24, we get it as a 96 divided by, it is a 2 ones are 2 it is. So further simplification, so this is equal to 5 plus or minus under the square root of 25 plus 96, we get it as a 121 divided by 2 here. So this is equal to 5 plus or minus, so root under the square root of 121. 121 is a perfect square, so we get it as a 11 divided by 2. So I told you that quadratic equation leads to two solutions. So one with a plus sign, another with a minus sign. So we get x as 5 plus 11 divided by 2. One more is 5 minus 11 divided by 2. So next we get this as 11 plus 5 as a 16. 16 by 2, we get it as a 8 as a solution. One more, 5 minus 11, we get it as a minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2, we get the solution as a minus 3. So this is system of two linear. So this is a system of a quadratic equation and its solution. We'll move to our next example. You can solve along with me. So these are all possible questions. 3x square plus 19x minus 14 is equal to 0. So it is in a standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X square coefficient, it is a is 3 here. X coefficient is a b we get it as a 19. The constant is c you get it as a minus 14. So write quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by, here it is a 2u. This is equal to minus b is 19 plus or minus under the square root of b is 19 square minus 4 into ac. A is 3, c is minus 14 divided by 2 into a is 3. So simplification, minus 19 as it is plus or minus under the square root of 19 square, that is 19 into 19, 361 we get it. Next minus into minus plus, here it is 4 into 3 into 14, we get it as a 529 divided by 3 to the 6 rupees. Then x equal to minus 90 plus or minus under the square root of, here 361 plus 529. So this will be the 126. It is a 168 it is. So simplifying, we get it as a 529 divided by, it is a 6. So here it is a minus 19 as it is plus or minus Under the square root of 529 is a perfect square. We get it as a 23 divided by 6. Okay. So first solution we get with the plus sign. X equal to minus 19 plus 23 divided by 6. Another solution is with the minus sign. X equal to minus 19 minus 23 divided by 6. Simplifying, we get 2 by 3. One more solution is a minus 7. So this is a quadratic equation and a simplification. So examples, we can solve many problems based on this concept, that is a quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in the next session, one more example with one more technique, we will discuss it. Thank you very much.